Clear? So this is the way that we have been able to see pioneer community, serial community and climax community. Clear? Shall I remove this? Now there is this community has been finished. This community has been finished by man-made or natural factor. But we have what developed? We have developed, I said that soil. We have developed soil. In this, I said that on this kind of developed soil, I said that some recognition community of this region with other new species started growing in this region. And that is known as, I said that, यहाँ पे developed soil is there, this is the same, developed soil and as well as favorable climate. Climate हो या favorable नहीं हो, even then they are growing, but the developed soil is there and that is known as secondary succession. So on the last climax community where we have a developed soil, क्लियर डिफरेंस समझ में आ गया? व्हाट इज सेकेंडरी सक्सेशन में ये नहीं है. सेकेंडरी सक्सेशन डजंट हैव दिस थिंग्स. अंडरस्टूड? So they have what developed soil and then these are the condition on which some recognizable species के साथ साथ we have what new species which are coming into existence and that is known as I said that secondary succession. समझ में आ गया? So we have seen primary succession, secondary succession and difference between primary and secondary succession. Can you understand that? Yes. किसको सबसे बेस्ट कंडीशन मिल रहा है फॉर द डेवलपमेंट? सेकेंडरी सक्सेशन, बट प्राइमरी सक्सेशन इज नॉट गेटिंग इट. सो एंड ऑटोजेनिक सक्सेशन, autogenic succession, suppose I have I said that there is plants are there, cause is vegetation. Another is said that allogenic succession, cause is nature. I said that autogenic succession, suppose there is a vegetation is there and vegetation keep on what is giving large amount of organic deposits, slowly and slowly this soil will become more acidic. Yes or not? more organic, and that will lead to the not to develop this kind of species. Understood? That will lead to the not to the develop this kind of species, and then now it will finish and another succession will come. It is known as autogenic. You are the cause of your what? Finishing, and the new succession is going to come. But when the nature is causing, it is known as, I said that, allogenic. Autogenic succession, and which succession I said that? Allogenic succession. What is the difference between primary and secondary succession? Unlike in the primary succession, the secondary succession starts on the well developed soil already formed at the site, and the secondary succession is relatively faster as compared to the primary succession, which may often require hundreds of years only. Okay? Because they haven't developed. I said that when succession is brought about by living inhabitants, that the community itself, the process is called autogenic, while changes brought about by the outside forces is known as allogenic. Autogenic succession क्या होगा? जो आपके वजह से ही हो, you are the cause itself, plants and vegetation is the cause itself, it is known as, I said that, autogenic succession. And but when the nature is the cause of your succession, then it is known as what? Allogenic. Autogenic may caused by plant themselves, is a succession driven by the biotic components of ecosystem, or allogenic may be drought, fire, flooding led to the any kind of what? Changes. Autogenic succession and allogenic succession. Simple one word में याद रखना है, तो it is caused by itself. Understood? Autogenic means you are the cause of your own what is in a finishing of the biota and then coming of new biota. In that reason it is considered an autogenic succession. Clear? Autogenic succession. Another one we have seen, yes, tell me. Allogenic succession. Completely okay? Yes. Next one we are going to see ecological succession theory. Which theory that we are going to see? Ecological succession theory. And in this theory we will see the first Mr. Clements theory. Which theory we are going to see? Clements theory. Okay. So, Clements theory is talking about the 6 stages and phases in which the classical ecological succession develops, and that I said that he has said first is nudation. First is what? जैसे हमने बताया था कि first pioneer community develops on which kind of site? Bare site. Understood? And thereafter I said that slowly and slowly they started, I said that propagules means they started spreading in that region. Yes, I said the plant material used for the purpose of plant propagation. Then the plant started slowly and slowly propagation. It is one region to the another. So this is the region they have grown, then slowly and slowly they started migrating to the nearby region. Yes or not? Through the plant propagation. The first one it is, I said that, पहले समझने की कोशिश करें. First I said that nudation. Second one I said that propagation. Sorry, migration. through the plant propagation. That is clear. Then third I said the cases in this one involves establishment and initial growth of vegetation. जब establish हो गया, propagate हो गया and it has been established. It has been what? Established, and then now the initial growth is going to take place. By the time जब initial growth started होने लग गया, and then we can be able to see evergreen forest. What we have been able to see? So evergreen forest, equatorial evergreen forest has passed through which are the process? First, yes, tell me. Nudation. On the bare rock they started growing, and then developed soil and all, and then there is started migration, plant propagation in all the region, and thereafter I said ecosis, and they have been able to say that the initial stage of the growth. Understood? Climax community पहुंच गया. Understood? Now they started also finding that competition is there in the evergreen forest or not. Is there competition is there or not? For what is the competition? For competition mostly for the light, but competition can be for the water also. Competition, लेकिन water की कमी है नहीं वहाँ पर. Yes or not? Competition for nutrients also. So that is also little bit available, but finally that we have seen that competition in the evergreen forest is for the what? Light. Understood? Up next steps comes what I said, that cases in establishment and initial growth of vegetation, and now he said that vegetation become well established, it grows, spreads, various species begin to compete for space, light and nutrients. Yes or not? Able to think like I said that evergreen forest. What is happening? Nudation. Second one I said that migration. Third one is I said that they have established and initial growth started. And then I said competition, then when the initial growth started in large amount, then there could be a possibility of space fight, light fight, nutrient fight. These are the fight can be there, and that is known as the stage of what? Competition. Stage of competition. And is competition के बाद the reaction. During this phase autogenic changes, समझ में आता है? Autogenic changes affect the habitat resulting in replacement of one plant community by another. Yes? तो उसमें से क्या हो सकता है? Some plant, I said that like shrubs, those who are not able to get, I said that enough light, and one plant who is able to get the enough light, they will keep on growing. Those who are not able to survive, so through the vegetation itself, they are itself the cause of death, they will finish, और यहाँ पे new species will grow. As I have said that in evergreen forest, between one tree to another, there is hundreds of species. And in that one, the new species growing means reaction is there, yes or not? So autogenic reproduction of new species. Autogenic reproduction of what I said, that new species or speciation, because that is not able to survive because this is not able to get the space or maybe possibly light. अब वहाँ पर क्या grow किया? Yes, epiphytes, lianas, and they started growing and they started taking the what? Lights from the up. वो trees का help लेते हैं, and that process is known as a commensalism. That is known as what? When the two species interact with each other, one is getting benefit without harming the other, so other is not harmed, not benefit. So it is considered as I said that commensalism, and they started what is in a growing upwards. So I said during this phase autogenic succession changes took place, and that led to only the replacement of one plant community by the other. लेकिन आपको वहाँ के बड़े वाले ट्री नहीं करेंगे. Which tree will, which kind of vegetation will, which are more susceptible to, more vulnerable to, yes, this kind of climate, and they are vulnerable and they can be what is not able to natural selection. उन्होंने अपने variations नहीं कर पाए. They cannot be able to do that kind of variation. उनकी speciation कैसे रहेगी? New species form किया उन्होंने. This new plants has been formed. But natural selection की वजह से जो उन्होंने अपनी क्या किया था, the kind of structure that they have developed, they have selected. हमने क्या बोला? What is the natural selection? Means I said that who species select among variations. So उसमें इसने he is not able to select among the best variations, or he is able to grow like this, not able to get the sufficient light, not able to get the sufficient space, not able to get the sufficient nutrient. That species will what is replaced by the other species. तो ऑटोमेटिकली उसमें नेचुरल सिलेक्शन आकर न्यू स्पेसीज विल कम इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस. अंडरस्टूड इट? एंड दैट इज नोन एज आई सेड दैट रिएक्शन. और रिएक्शन फेज क्या देता है? यस टेल मी. क्लाइमेक्स फेज. रिएक्शन फेज गिव्स अस, एंड आज के डेट में जो भी है वहां पर कैसा अवेलेबल है एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट में? इट इज इन अ क्लाइमेक्स community. Understood? So which are the phases we have seen? 6 according to F. E. Clement. F. E. Clement. What are the stages? First stage he talked about nudation, bare surface. Migration means plant propagation. Plant started propagating. Migration. एंड उसके बाद उन्होंने अपना इनिशियल ग्रोथ दिखाया. एस्टैब्लिशमेंट एंड इनिशियल ग्रोथ एक